Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to record 4K 60 frames per second videos on your XIAOMI 15T. So you have to do that in your camera application directly. So open it and switch to video mode like this, and in the top right corner of your screen you will see your current resolution. So you have to tap here and select 4K, and also tap here to select 60 frames per second. And once selected, you can begin recording in the high frame rate and high resolution format. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.